Right, as a brief progress report on the JCB cab. Put the 50mm box section to beef up the base. Offered up the rear window frame to get the distancing right for the catches. Held by a clip cable tie there just to get the distance right. She's been welded to full length now, right along. On the top as well, she's been welded right across on the box section. So this will actually make it much stronger than it was originally. I've been cutting out the bad bits. As you can see, this bit section is going to be welded in there, plate. That sound down to there, sound right across there. Welded a catch in there. That's the position of the other catch. That's going to be welded there somewhere. Then it's a matter of plating. But the main structure of the cab is to keep the integrity of the cab and not for it to collapse. Has been completed yesterday. A fair bit of welding and cutting the metal, but she's getting there. Next thing, now I've actually run out of plate, 2mm plate, so the weather forecast is not too good for the next few days, so the plan is to get the plate delivered and everything I need, take out everything else, got plenty of welding rods and things, and then I can continue with the cab next week with a bit of luck if the weather improves. But the cab lights were way gone. They're knackered. Luckily I've got quite a few spares, so that'll be alright. But as you can see, this is still a lot of work. But now she's solid now. The integrity of the cab base is restored. And so on to the next time now, and get more metal in for next week. See you next time.